What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Basically, I'm gonna go over a little bit of Bitcoin analysis. So if you don't know already, you should definitely check out our Discord. Link will be in the description, and you would have got the call out for today's pump, or just the pump in general. Recently, you definitely would have got that signal if you join our Discord. So go ahead, link down in the description and join our Discord. So let me get into it. So basically, the way we're structured right now is extremely correlated to the structure happened in 2020. 2021. So 2020 into 2021. So honestly, day to day, on a day-to-day basis, especially back in September and August. So you see the structure. So we have this is the COVID crash here, and if you go back over here, this right here is the bank crisis, right? Whenever you had the Silicon Valley Bank and the other banks collapse. And so almost exactly on the same day, I think it's like 2 days off. So you have the same structure here. So you have a little gradual increase here, and then increase here, but this is not gradual, it is really explosive. But then you had a little consolidation here, right? Consolidation is right here, and then a pump around June. And we had the same pump in July, so only a month difference. And then you had a little top here, then it gets really correlated. Then you had another consolidation here, another consolidation here, then you had a pump up here, then just pretty much grinding here, and now we are just waiting for something like this. I am expecting a really bad summer, so something like this. But I do think that our high will be something like this, but I think it might be higher. It won't be like a double top. I think it might be like this coming months. It will probably be reached to 50K and then consolidate down back to these ranges. And then we'll see another run after summer. And then in 2025, someday, I'm actually not sure, but I do know that we are going to see more of a pump here soon. We're at 39,400. It just did that a couple minutes ago. I do believe we're going to 50K very soon, in like 3 or 4 months. So let's look at the miners. So the miners, they're doing pretty good revenue right now. And as you can see, back here in pretty much the peak of 2020, back then, we had this little peak here. And so I'm going to correlate that to here, right? So here, and then we're now seeing a big pickup, and I'm thinking this is the beginning right here. But it is a little different because we're having the hype of the Bitcoin ETF, so there's a lot of hype, and so miners are not really selling that much. They want to hold, right? Because they believe that Bitcoin ETF is going to really greatly increase the price of Bitcoin, so they don't really want to sell. So they're taking a loss right now to see profits in the future, and a lot of miners are doing that. And you can kind of see here with a tons of revenue compared to what it should be back here, right? But back here we were having issues with COVID. So what are altcoins going to do? Well, altcoins are pretty much going to do exactly what happened last time. So this is Matic. This is one of the bigger ones that exploded on the first pump of Bitcoin, and this is pretty much after January. So Bitcoin was pumping January, February, and we can go back. So right here, this is like So this is around January. So right here, this big pump was in January. And we don't really see a massive pump here until way later in May. And in May, right, this was dropping. In May, this was dropping. Like right here is in May. So Bitcoin dropped, but then all the altcoins started to go, right? In May, it started to go. Look, in May, it topped. But we see here that it dropped, right? So it fell off. So we're not gonna see altcoins pump for a while. So right now I would just focus on Bitcoin for right now, and then get into alts. And then I think and so there's kind of a ladder, like a little stage. So first is like the pretty good altcoins, right? The coins that are important, right? Matic's pretty important. And then you're gonna have later, much later. So this is the summer. So it pumps here, right? So this is the same thing as Matic. But much later, all the shit coins started pumping, right? So Mana, right? Mana, I would say, is a shit coin. It's it's gaming, but we can see here it pumped in November, right? So that's in correlation to this year, right? Coming months, this would be November of next year, November 2024. So I'm pretty excited. So yeah, that's pretty much my analysis of Bitcoin and just the market in general of what might come. Yeah, I hope you have a great day.